Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to change the background image on hover using CSS. As you can see, I got div element here with the background image. When I will take my mouse over this div element, the background image will change. Also, when I will take my mouse off, I'll get the previous background image. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. I already got two images here, image 1 and image 2. Let's create an index file, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we only need a div element with no content. Just save it. Create a style sheet here, style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be cornflower blue. Select the div element. Margin will be 10 pixel and auto. Height will be 400 pixels. Width will be 400 pixels. Border will be 2 pixel solid white. Border radius will be 5 pixels. Background image will be this one, image 1 dot jpg. Background size will be cover. Transition will be background image. .5 seconds ease. Save it. Now let's open this file in the browser to see the output. So this is the output. Now when I will take my mouse over this image, you can see nothing is happening. So let's work on the CSS file because we have to use a pseudo class here, hover. So select div element here and use hover pseudo class here like this. Now simply just copy and paste it here and make it image 2. So we are simply changing the background image on hover. Save it. Now go to browser. Now take your mouse over the image. So you can see we are getting a different background image. Now take your mouse off and we are getting the previous background image. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.